Hello, today I'm showing you how to check for comments, credits, and grades on your report cards. So instead of clicking on each and every report card, what you want to do is you want to go to Reports, Transcript, and then Override Grades. So you need to pick the reporting period, and then if it doesn't auto-populate for you, type in your name, then click Generate Report. The first thing I will do is check for credits. So I will click on grade level. And that's because I just want to make sure that all of my 7th and 8th graders do not have credits because I didn't have any taking any high school classes. So there may be some with zeros, and that's because those are community college classes. Once we receive their transcript, their grade will be changed as well as the credits. So I'm scrolling through. All of these have 5s and they're all high school. This one has a 10, and that's because it's a Saddleback class and we already received the transcript. This one has an I and a 0 because we have not received the transcript. Same with this one. I'm sorry if this is making you dizzy. Okay, same with this one. But all of my grades have corresponding credits listed so far. Okay, so those are all set. My credits are fine. So now what I want to do is I want to make sure all of my D's and F's have a comment. So I will click on Override Grade. And now it's listed in alphabetical order by grade. Okay, so all my A's do not need a comment. So I'm going to scroll down quickly to the D's and the F's. And if you have an overall report card grade, that will not show here, but this is what the HQT has added as far as comments, or myself. So here we've got a D with comments. All of these are D's and they all have comments. That's good. These do not have comments, but that's okay. Those are community college classes. Okay, now lastly, I just want to make sure I didn't miss any grades. And I don't believe so after clicking through all this. So I'm clicking on Override Grades and it's putting them again in order, and I don't have any missing on the top or anywhere in between, so that's fine. So now I know my report cards are complete. Thank you and have a great day.